Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to run a generative AI task on images directly within the Rightbrain API docs. For the purpose of this demo, we'll focus on a damage assessment scenario, which has broad applications in insurance claims processing. Let's start with our task creation, where we begin by setting up a task that will analyze uploaded images. In our damage assessment example, we're configuring the task to do multiple things, including provide a detailed description of the damage in the image, classify the extent of damage, outline the affected areas on the car, recommend actions for claims handlers to take, as well as identify potential fraud indicators, and note any additional information required from the claimant. Once we've defined these output parameters, we create the task. The response provides us with a unique task ID, which we'll use in the next step. Now we navigate to the Run a Task endpoint in the API. Here we'll input our task ID to ensure we're using the correct configuration. Next, we'll upload an image of a vehicle with visible damage. This simulates a typical scenario in insurance claims processing, where the claimant is asked to send over proof of damage. With our image uploaded and task ID in place, we send the request. This prompts the large language model to analyze the image based on our predefined criteria. Within moments, we receive a structured response with the following outputs: a detailed description of the observed damage, the AI's assessment of damage severity, a list of affected vehicle areas, some recommended next steps for the claims handler, any red flags that might indicate potential fraud, and suggestions for additional information to request from the claimant. It's important to note that while we've focused on vehicle damage assessment, this process is highly adaptable. The same principle can be applied to various industries, such as generating product descriptions from images for an e-commerce platform, verifying documents for user onboarding for a Fintech, or assessing property conditions from photographs for a real estate business. The key advantage is the ability to process stateless image inputs to produce structured outputs. This approach can significantly streamline workflows, reduce manual processing time, and provide consistent results across a large volume of images.